Hello guys, how are you? I'm fine, but anyway, I want to actually talk about something that I always ask myself about the teaching profession. I always ask myself about this very simple question. Yes, teachers are good people, and actually, I love teaching. I love the teaching profession, and that's why I do say that I'm a proud teacher. Yes, and as we speak, I'm in actually a school environment. But here is a question. I want to ask you a very simple question. I want you to answer in the comment section. Have you ever seen a teacher who is owning a Mercedes Benz? Have you ever seen a teacher who is owning a Lexus? Have you ever seen a teacher, okay, a normal teacher, leave alone a principal, leave just exclude a deputy principal, a principal, head teacher, deputy head teacher, I mean, HOI, exclude them from this discussion. A normal teacher, have you ever seen that teacher? Have you ever seen a teacher having a Harrier? A normal teacher, yes, a normal teacher. Hmm? The bell has rang. Yes. Have you ever seen such a teachers? They are nowhere to be seen. Teachers are fond of buying Toyota Vitz, Succeed, that's a Probox, Toyota Axio, akijaribu sana. I'm talking about teaching in Kenya. I'm not about teaching in other countries like Finland, like Singapore, like UK. You find that teaching is honored. A teacher actually lives a nice life. Now, what happened to Kenya? I'm asking this question so that hata wewe ambayo unaangalia ama unanitazama saa hii uweze kujiuliza hayo maswali kama wewe ni mwalimu. Anyway, something must be done. That's what I'm trying to say. Something must be done. Anyway, tell us something that you are seeing that should be done in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. Good time.